Canto, Radio Time, Radio
to Radio Time, Radio Time, Radio
Canto, Radio Time,
You're listening to Radio Time, Radio Time.
Hello and welcome to Radio Kai. We play all your favorite music from the 1960s all the way to the present day. We are now also on YouTube. On YouTube we are known as at Radio Kai.
And also, we hope you enjoyed listening to last week's edition of Radio Kaib, where we interviewed Owen Keir from Moan FM. We hope you all enjoyed that. And today we got our usual features, such as Ethan with his travel feature, where he'll get from A to B. And we also have the mystery voice, where you have to guess we play out 5 different voices, and you have to guess them. Also, we got Oshan with the birthdays, where he says 7 different people each week. We also got Guess a Year, which is where you have to guess, where we say different facts from each year. You have to guess it. And also News with Ethan, so you make sure you're up to date with the latest news. And also, we have our interview this week. And this week, our guest on Radio Kaib is Stacey from Cane Tree.
Our first song today is Walking on Sunshine by Rena Wave.
And I just can't wait till the day
Okay, so we just had Katrina and the Waves there on Radio Kai with Walking on Sunshine. Right, so moving on now, this is our Mystery Voice feature, where you have to guess 5 different voices.
Here comes the mystery voice.
Mystery voice. Mystery voice.
Here's voice number 1 for this week.
Gordon Brown is seen being kind of not quite comfortable in his own skin, socially gauche, when some famous person, or particularly their wives, come to Downing Street to visit, and he's meant to do the kind of air kissing on each cheek. I mean, he just doesn't get it.
Here's the second mystery voice of the week.
And he went on stage and he just made it up as he went along. It was really bad. It's like on the internet somewhere, but it was really quite funny. But now he's like, my choreographer, he's just amazing. He gets it, he gets me, and he knows how to make a woman look good.
Voice number 3 for this week.
Edinburgh, actually, in a few weeks' time.
Yeah.
So I hadn't done stand-up proper for about 10 years,
Yeah.
and I decided to go back on the road. So I went back and did all the little clubs that we all used to do, and met people like who I hadn't met for ages, comedians. Somebody said to me, a woman said to me, she said, I wouldn't have gone into comedy if it weren't for you.
Here's our 4th voice for this week.
Yeah, I've got a much better job for myself now. So yeah, I finished that 3 years ago and really have been focusing on music.
And how long were you in the army?
And here's our 5th and final voice for this week.
It's different because they have categories, so they've got an under 25s, which I was in, and they've got the over 25s and the groups, so we're all in one show.
I hope you got all the answers correct. Now we got I Feel Good by James Brown.
Wow, I feel good. I knew that I wouldn't. I feel good. I knew that I wouldn't. So good, so good. I got you. Wow, I feel nice. A sugar and spice. I feel nice, like sugar and spice. So nice, I got you. When I hold you in my arms, I know that I can't do no wrong. And when I hold you in my arms, my love won't do you no harm, and I feel nice, like sugar and spice. I feel nice, like sugar and spice. So nice, I got you. When I hold you in my arms, I know that I can't do no wrong. And when I hold you in my arms, my love can't do me no harm. And I feel nice, like sugar and spice. I feel nice, like sugar and spice. So nice, 'cause I got you. Wow, and I feel good. I knew that I wouldn't. I feel good. I knew that I would. So good, but I got you. So good, but I got you. So good, but I got you.
That was I Feel Good there by James Brown. Here's the birthday.
It's your birthday. Happy birthday.
Cliff Richard is 83, pop singer. Alan Jackson is 65, a country singer. Brittany Griner is 33, basketball player. Callum Scott is 36, a pop singer. Tyler Blackburn is 38, a TV actor. Hugh Jackman is 56, a TV movie actor. Ralph Lauren is 84, a fashion designer. That's all we got from the birthdays this week. I hope you all had a great birthday.
Thank you, Usher, for the birthdays this week. And now our next song is O Gymru by Gwilym.
Galon ben dy hun o fy waliau. Ma'n rhaid bod mwy'r lliw na'r llun. Ma'n rhaid bod mwy na hwyl peradwys dam dy groen. Pan fel difrod ti ar dy draed. Pan ddaw dy awr gwell dwi lo coch na dwi lo gwaed. Daw dy eni O Gymru, rhoddi ti fy mywyd o walia, walia. Ti ydw fy mwynfyd o Gymru, rhoddi ti fy mywyd o walia, walia. Fy heilwen ti o fy walia. Cliw y dorf yn canu, can o fawl amdana ti. Cliw y credu, oes ystyr dan ysgrifen ar y mur. Wrth i guriad fy nghalon fynd yn hyn o fy ngwaliau. A lliw y llynian oll gytun. Ma'n rhaid rhoi gorau brad i tafod a weindydd. O Gymru, rhoddi ti fy mywyd o walia, walia. Ti ydw fy mwynfyd o Gymru, rhoddi ti fy mywyd o walia, walia. Fy heilwen ti. Sy'n wedyn syllu ble mae'r golan gallu. Ti'n yn wedyn syllu. O Gymru, rhoddi ti fy mywyd o walia, walia. Ti ydw fy mwynfyd o Gymru, rhoddi ti fy mywyd o walia, walia. Fy heilwen wyt ti o Gymru, rhoddi ti fy mywyd o walia, walia. Ti ydw fy mwynfyd o Gymru, rhoddi ti fy mywyd o walia, walia. Fy heilwen ti.
Hey everyone, Ethan here, and the travel feature is here.
Here is our travelling feature with Ethan.
Hey everyone, had a nice weekend? Here's the travel feature. We're going from Inverness to Llanberis. That's for Mr. Williams to bring his uncle from Llanberis to see Owytha or Snowdon. Starting in Inverness, which is all the way in Scotland, mind you, because we're still in Britain, take the Caledonia Sleeper to Crewe. It's a sleeper train, which meant there's beds on board. Don't worry about staying overnight at hotels. Then take a Transport for Wales service to Bangor. Once there, transfer to a Gwynfor coaches bus to Llanberis. Alternatively, if you love cars so much, then you could take the long drive. Yep, if you want to. The journey would take you 13 hours on the sleeper train or nearly 8 hours by car. It'll cost you £186 for the sleeper train or £146 if you're driving. Not to mention driving would cover fuel costs. Imagine the price for the driving would cover fuel costs as well, as you have to frequently stop at services if your tank's running low. The next song is Alpha by Gwynwen.
That was Alpha there by Gwynwen. Okay, so we are moving on now to our Guess a Year feature, where you have to guess, where we say 5 different topics about what happened in this year, and you have to guess what the year is.
Guess the year.
Developer Wooden.
The Commonwealth Game was taking place in Delhi in India.
Also in this year, South Africa held the FIFA World Cup and Spain won the Netherlands 1-0 on the 11th of July of this year. And the World Cup was held in Johannesburg in South Africa.
Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows Part 1 was released in cinemas across the globe.
TikTok by Keisha was the biggest hit of this year. And this single sold 12.8 million digital copies in this year. And it's sold over 18 million copies worldwide.
It was also the year that David Cameron, or to Dennis Skinner as Dodgy Dave, became Prime Minister of the UK.
Okay, so we hope you got the year correctly, and our next song now is We Are the Champions by Queen.
I've paid my dues, time after time. I've done my sentence, but committed no crime. And bad mistakes, I've made a few. I've had my shells and kicked in my face, but I've come through. I need to go on, on. We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions. We are the champions. No time for losers, 'cause we are the champions of the world. I've taken my bows and my curtain calls. You brought me fame and fortune and everything that goes with it. I thank you all, but it's been no bed of roses, no pleasure cruise. I consider it a challenge before the whole human race, and I ain't gonna lose. I need to go We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions. We are the champions. No time for losers, 'cause we are the champions of the world. The champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end. Oh, we are the champions. We are the champions. No time for losers, 'cause we are the champions.
That was Queen there with We Are the Champions. Now coming up next, here's Ethan with news around the school.
News from around the school.
First up, annual review this week for Caib. We're not spoiling the details. Next up, Callum and Kian are going to Havanamoor for his birthday. Next up, Lucy and Lacey are going to Cambridge to see family. It's going to be a 5-hour drive, but if you don't want a 5-hour drive, don't worry, there are train services, which would be helpful if there's no delays yet. And finally, Max is going to Villa Park in Birmingham. If there's tickets, and Cafe Drag are doing burgers this week, so make sure you fill in those order forms for those delicious burgers. The next song is Darlington County by Bruce Springsteen.
That was Darlington Country there by Bruce Springsteen. Okay, so this is a time when we reveal the year, and this year was 2010. And now here's our mystery voice answers. This week the voices were Andrew Neil, Brittany Spears, Frank Skinner, James Blunt and Leona Lewis. Our next song now is Year 3000 by Buzzard.
One day when I came home at lunchtime, I heard a funny noise. Went out to the backyard to find out if it was one of those runny boys. Stood there was my neighbor called Peter and a flux capacitor. He told me he built a time machine like the one in the film I've seen. Yeah, yeah. He said I've been to the year 3000. Not much has changed, but they lived underwater. And your great, great, great granddaughter is pretty fine, is pretty fun. He took me to the future in the flux thing, and I saw everything. Boy bands, and another one, and another one, and another one. Triple-breasted women swim around town, totally naked. We drove around in a time machine like the one in the film I see. Yeah, yeah. He said I've been to the year 3000. Not much has changed, but they lived underwater. And your great, great, great granddaughter is pretty fine, is pretty fine. I took a ship to the year 3000. This song had gone mosey platinum. Everybody bought our seventh album. It had our songs like Michael Jackson. I took a ship to the year 3000. This song had gone mosey platinum. Everybody bought our seventh album. He told me he built a time machine like the one in the film I see. Yeah, yeah. He said I've been to the year 3000. Not much has changed, but they lived underwater. And your great, great granddaughter is pretty fine. She's pretty fine. He said I've been to the year 3000. Not much has changed, not much has changed, but they lived underwater. And your great, great granddaughter is pretty fine. He said I've been to the year 3000. Not much has changed, not much has changed, underwater. And your great, great granddaughter is pretty fine. She's pretty fine. He said I've been to the year 3000. Not much has changed, but they lived underwater. And your great, great granddaughter is pretty fine.
That was Year 3000 there by Buzzard. Now here's Ethan with news around the world.
News around the world.
Hey everyone, Ethan here with news from around the world. Starting off, 7-Eleven shares have jumped as rival market makes new buyout offer. Who would take ownership of this Japanese retailer? Secondly, Christopher Columbus's DNA shed some spotlight on his birthplace. Really? We thought it was Genoa, but wow, we would never know what his official birthplace is. And number 3, Australia has to decide by King Charles' final verdict whether Australia should be a constitutional monarchy or a republic. We don't want it to be like America, don't we? So hold on tight, Australia. One man from Senegal is determined to get to the Canary Islands. Hope he survives the trip and makes it's a better life there. And then, a family rushed to hospital for eating toxic mushrooms. I'm a family, if you're watching this, don't eat a mushroom. If it's toxic, bleh, don't eat them. But if it's not, you're in luck. And finally, temperatures forecasted for 20 degrees Celsius in mild, wet week in Britain. Wow, it's been rough rain. The next song is Walk of Life by Dire Straits.
walk of life. Yeah, you do the walk of life. Here comes Johnny, gonna tell you the story. Hand me now my walking shoes. Here comes Johnny with the power and the glory. Backbeat, the talking blues. He got the action, he got the motion. And a boy can play. The dedication, devotion, it's turning all the night time into the day. The song about a sweet little woman. They do the song about the night. Then they do the walk. Do the walk of life. Yeah, you do the walk of life. Here comes Johnny singing oldies goldies. Be Babalula, baby, what I say. Here comes Johnny singing, I got a woman down in the tunnel trying to make it pay. He got the action, he got the motion. Oh yeah, the boy can play. The dedication, devotion, and turning all the nighttime into the day. And after all the violence and double talk, it's just a song in all the trouble and the strife. You do the walk. Yeah, you do the walk of life. You do the walk of life. Woo.
That was Walk of Life by Dire Straits. Next, we got our interview with Stacey.
Getting to know you, getting to know all about you.
Okay, so today we are interviewing Skacey from Caintree. Hello Skacey, how are you today?
Good, thank you, Dion.
Hello, Stacey.
Hello, Stacey.
Hello.
Hey, Stacey.
Hello.
So, our first question today for you is, what do you like doing outside of school?
Going shopping and helping little kids.
Where do you go shopping?
To Asda and Aldi's.
Good.
What is your favourite TV show?
Mine is Gavin and Stacey.
I've heard that there's a new season coming out for Christmas soon.
It is. Yes.
Will you be watching it soon?
Yes, I will be watching it with my mum.
Good.
What is your favourite food?
My favourite food is the Chinese.
Ooh, that's good, isn't it?
What's your favourite thing to do at school?
Helping little kids and helping around the school with the radio sheet. Oh, the menus with.
Which classes do you help?
I help the little classes, Mrs. Roberts' classes, in and I class.
They're good classes, aren't they, Ocean?
Yeah, they are.
Aren't they, boys?
Yeah.
Yes.
What would you like to be doing after you finish school?
So when I finish school when I'm 19, I want to go help my dad in a pub in Beaumaris.
Ooh, what's the name of the pub?
It's called the Board Arms of Beaumaris.
Nice. What do you get from there?
I get a burger or a hot dog or a pizza off my dad and a drink of Coke.
That sounds good, doesn't it, boys?
Yeah, it is.
Which football team do you support and why?
I support Manchester City because I like the colours of Manchester City.
What is your favourite player from Man City?
Haaland.
Good. Yes.
Yeah, it is.
And the football teams we support is Man United because my family supports Man United.
Same here.
And why?
Because of my brother.
And why do you support Man United? Don?
I just like it anyway.
That's good, isn't it?
Yes.
What is your favorite Chinese takeaway meal or order?
It's prawn toast, rice and curry and chicken soup.
Oh, from the Chinese, yeah.
Yeah,
Like
from the Chinese.
rice, curry sauce, egg fried rice, and chips and the jumbo sausage is what I get.
Nice.
What do you get from the Chinese?
I get chicken, sweet and sour chicken.
Nice.
with
What
rice.
about you, Dylan?
Pineapple and chicken.
Oh, what about you, Ethan?
Chicken balls and chips.
Oh,
My favourite is salt and pepper chicken and salt and pepper chips and curry sauce.
Oh, that sounds good, doesn't
Should we
it?
have it this Friday instead of working in the cafe?
I think we
Yes.
should, yes.
Yeah.
Maybe we can have it as a treat before Christmas, boys.
What's your favourite artist or musician, Stacey?
Playing the drums and playing the quiet beat with Mrs. Hughes.
We've heard you like a lot of different music, don't you?
Yep. I play the soft play. I play it softly, quiet and louder.
I know you listen to music on the phone, but
Which different songs do you listen to on there?
I listen to Dance Monkey, Bad Habits, When I Walk 500 Miles, and everything like that.
Those are really good songs, aren't they?
Yes. What is your favourite song, Dolan?
Three Little Birds by Bob Marley.
That's a good one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Mine is Come On Eileen by Gexy's Midnight Runners.
How about you, Ethan? What's your favourite song?
I have no idea.
How about you, Osha? What's your favourite song?
My favourite song is Badlands by Bruce Springsteen.
That is a classic, isn't it?
Yeah, it
Yes.
A forgotten one.
Yeah.
Where is your dream destination to go on holiday?
To Barcelona to see the football pitch in Barcelona.
Nice. What else would you do in Barcelona?
To go and see the football pitch and go and for the American food, what they're doing, and it's like a proper American food.
Nice.
What song would you like to finish the show off this week?
Bad Habits by Ed Sheeran.
Okay, so we are going to finish off this week's show with Bad Habits by Ed Sheeran. We hope you enjoyed listening to this week's edition of Radio Kaib, and thank you, Stacey, for being our guest today.
Thank you, Stacey.
Thank you, Stacey.
Thank you, Daisy.
Arigato, Stacey.
Thank you too. Thank you for the interview, guys.
So we'll hope you join us next week for another edition of Radio Kaib. And now we have Bad Habits by Ed Sheeran. Goodbye for now. Okay, so we hope you've enjoyed this week's edition of Radio Kaib, and we will see you next week. Bye for now.
Bye.
To Radio Time. You're listening to Radio Time.